In this video, we will learn how to add payment policy. Something to keep in mind is you need to be signed up for Stripe/Yocale Pay in order to activate this feature. Use the left side menu and navigate from Settings to Online Booking. Then click Edit on the Online Payment Policy. You can see here it's disabled and we're going to enable the payment policy. Now we can select between deposit and card on file. This is for online bookings. You can see here we've selected deposit and we're going to select 20% of the service price for the deposit. We can also choose which clients to apply the policy settings for. We have new clients only or clients with no-show. And you can set the numbers of no-show. You can also add a default note, which will add it to the online booking process for the clients to see. Next, we'll move on to the service level payment policy. Over here, we can change the payment policy on each service. We have selected deposit 30% for the first service and no payment for the last service. There's also bulk change in case you need to change multiple services at once. And that's it. We've applied payment policy. Please contact us at support@yocale.com or use the chat symbol for more help.